Hi everybody, Mr. M here, Beast Double Arrow. I just want to make this tutorial and just to show you how I personally use this Beast Double Arrow trading software. Okay, so what I'll basically do if I come to my charts, I'll always start off on the daily chart. Okay, and like I said, is you can use this software for swing trading, for day trading, as well as scalping. Okay, so you can decide what you want to use it for what method, what's your style of trading. Okay, like I said, you can decide on that part. So what I'll do if I'm gonna swing trade, okay, I mostly do swing trades. Okay, I'll do a bit of scalping now and again if the opportunity arises, but for the most part I'm actually a swing trader. All right, so what I'll do is I'll come to my chart. Okay, start off on the day. Okay, 1-to-1 risk ratio. Okay, let's take another one again. Okay, so let's just see here. Let's just move this one over here. There's another big arrow there. Okay, so we would have gotten in there most probably. Okay, that's a massive stop loss, guys. That's 120 pips. But you can decide. Okay, if your stop loss is too big for you, okay, you can rather wait and wait for a better entry, or you can take the trade. Okay, it's entirely up to you. So let's just move this thing forward. There we go. Okay, so like I said, we got in there 60 pips. Okay, that would have been a bit hectic, but like I say, your management, your risk management come into play here. Okay, if you must say to yourself, you know how many pips are you prepared to lose, or how many pips are you prepared to risk. Okay, so that's entirely up to you. All right, but as the trades we demonstrated now, okay, as you can see, the market did not come back to this area again, guys. It did not come back to this area. The red arrow form is going down, blue arrow form is going up. Okay, the market doesn't come back here. As you can see here, it came almost, yeah, came close to our stop loss, but it didn't come below the blue arrow. All right, so let's do another example. Okay, we got the blue arrow here at the bottom, trend reversal arrow. So our stop loss, like I said, will go under the arrow, under the blue arrow. Okay, let's see. Okay, so we would have gotten in here most probably. Okay, stop loss is 94 pips. Okay, so let's just see what the market does. Remember, we're waiting for the opposite arrow to form the big arrow. Not there yet, not there yet, not there yet. We're still going, we're still going, we're still going. Not there yet. Not there yet. Okay, there we go. So if you would have taken this trade here, guys, okay, yeah, stop loss would have been 92 pips. The gain would have been 209 pips. Okay, 90 pip risk, 209 pip gain. That is awesome. But you're gonna have to have patience, guys. Okay, you're gonna have to have patience. As you know, the secret sauce in Forex is patience. Okay, if you don't have patience, if it doesn't have patience, there's going to be a problem. Okay, you won't never make it in Forex. I've been trading for the past 4 years. Okay, when I just started, I thought it was a get rich quick scheme. I tried everything. Okay, from trend lines, from support and resistance, supply and demand, market makers method, you name it, guys. So Fibonacci, diversions, trend lines, stochastics, oversold, overbought, RSI, you name it, guys. And it wasn't consistent for me, okay? Because I was all over the show. I was hopping from this strategy to that strategy, moving crossovers, you name it. And I came up with a simplistic system that anyone can learn within a couple of minutes. Okay, I just showed you now. Okay, it's very simple, very straightforward. If you apply your mind, okay, you've got proper risk management in place, guys, you cannot go wrong. Okay, so you need to say to yourself, well, how many pips I want to make a day? Want to be 20, 30, 40, 50, 100 pips? It's entirely up to you. Okay, and like I always say, guys, don't be greedy. Okay, if you made your amount of pips, you out. Get out of the market. Okay, because the market will chew you up, guys. I promise you. Okay, I know about it. I was there. Okay, let's just take another example, the last one on the swing trade. Okay, just to show you guys one more time, let's just go there. So we got the big arrow here. Okay, let's just move it forward. Okay, so we would have gotten in here most probably. Stop loss would have been 66 pips. Okay, So let's just move forward. Not getting any big arrow yet. Not getting big arrow yet. Nothing yet. Nothing yet. Nothing yet. Nothing yet, guys. Nothing yet. Still going down. There we go. Okay. So I said we've gotten in here. It would have been 65 pips risk for a gain of 349 pips. 349 pips, guys. Okay, and like I say, patience is the key. Okay, you need to have patience in forex. Okay, but again, if you decide, well, you know what, I'm happy with 30 pips, 50 pips, that is it. Okay, you take your pips and you're out of the market. Okay, so say for instance, you say for yourself, you know what, I'm happy with 50 pips. Okay, you got in there. 50 pips is where? Well, there, around about there, 55, 50 pips. You're out of the market. But if you have kept this trade, see there, 300, and just look in the corner, right bottom, 304 pips you would have gained. Okay, so that is for the swing trading part, guys. That is for the swing trading part. So let's just see if you want to use a software for day trading and scalping. Okay, so as you know, right, we go to the 1 hour. Okay, let's just do an example on the 1 hour. Okay, so let's just do this. Okay, so I'm not we actually back testing, guys. We back testing. Okay, so big arrow, little arrow. Okay, so we would have gotten in there. Stop loss would have been what, 25 pips. Let's just move down. We're looking for the opposite reversal arrow. And we didn't get yet. Okay, here we go. Okay, so remember what we said? Stop loss goes here. Okay, gotten in there. 21 pips, 22 pips for a gain of 129 pips. Okay, and guys, throughout this back testing that I showed you guys now, okay, throughout this, not one time, okay, not one single time you've seen the market come back to that big arrow. Okay, not one single time. Okay, it came back after we take this trade. It came back to the big to the big arrow. Yeah. Okay, so like I said, this is a trend reversal indicator. So let's do another example here quickly. Okay, we've already seen that arrow there. So just leave that one. We already seen it. Let's just move on. Okay, there we go. Okay, so there we got the big arrow. So let's see if we got, okay, there we got the little arrow. So basically what we're going to do is our stop loss is going to go above there. Okay, our entry will most probably be say around about there. Okay, that will be a 60, say 59, say 60 pip stop loss. Okay, so let's just move forward. Here we go. What did we say? 60 pips. Yeah, around about there. Okay, 22 pips. Okay, but you will still make pips, guys. You're not losing. It's not a losing trade. As I say, this software have a 80% win rate. I mean, like I said, not ever did you see the market come back to that area if that big arrow form. Okay, well, I didn't see throughout this tutorial. Okay, so let's just do the last one on the day trading on the 1 hour. Okay, so there we got the big arrow at the bottom here. So our stop loss will go there. Okay, so say we got in there or there about, right, 22, 21 pips stop loss. Let's move it forward. I mean, as you can see, it's not coming back to that area. It's not coming back to that area, guys. Once that big arrow forms, it's not coming back. It's not coming back. Waiting for the big arrow to form. Still no big arrow, still no big arrow, still no big arrow, still no big arrow. We're waiting for the opposite one to form. There we go. Okay, so we got in here about around about this area. We're taking the market up, right up until there. Say there, 115 pips, guys. 115 pips, and for a risk of say 20, say 21, 20 pips. Okay, guys, I'm showing this. I'm showing it to you guys. Okay, um, the back testing of the software. Okay, I went through a lot of charts with the back testing the software. I went through a lot of charts, and guys, this trading software is just phenomenal. Okay, let us go to another trading currency pair. Let's go to let's go to the GBP pairs. Okay, let's take the GBP Aussie. Okay, let's go to the 4 hour. Let's just do a couple of testing here quickly. Okay, so let's move here. Okay, there's our arrow, our big arrow. We're waiting for the little one to form. There we go. Okay, so what we do here is we're gonna go, our stop loss is gonna go there. Stop loss, our entry must probably be here. So okay, that's a hell of a big stop loss. Is 164 pip stop. Okay, but obviously it's on a 4 hour. Okay, so let's just move forward and see what happens. Okay, there we go. All right, so we would have gotten in there and gotten out here. That is still 275 pips, guys. Still 275 pips. So again, the market is not coming back here, guys. It doesn't come. Once this arrow form, the yellow arrow form is dropping. Okay, like I say, this yellow arrow here, okay, is locking the big arrow. Okay, is locking the big arrow, and the market drops. Okay, let's take one more example. Let's go to another. Still we see another big arrow here. Okay, there we go. Okay, let's just see it. Little arrow. There we go. So basically, we would have taken this trade. We would have taken it there. No, sorry, we would have put our stop loss there. Say the entry was probably here. Okay, that's also a big stop loss, 249 pips. Okay, so for 249, let's just take it forward. There's our big arrow. Let's just see the gain. About 300 pips. Okay, it's about just over a 1-to-1 risk reward. Okay, so guys, so yeah, that is basically how the software works. Very easy, simple. There's no guesswork, guys. You see the big arrow, you see the little arrow, you enter. Okay, there's nothing to think about. Okay, like I said, I tried everything, support, resistance, and you name it. Okay, moving crossovers. I just couldn't do it. I don't know, and that's why I developed this system. Okay, and even if you want to use it on the 15 minute, you can do that. Okay, but your trades is not gonna run as long as on the 4 hour and the daily and maybe the 1 hour. Okay, see a simple trade. Okay, on the 15, let's just do one or two testings on the 15 minute quickly. Okay, just go here. Okay, so we would have big arrow, little arrow. Okay, so we would have entered this trade around about here with our stop loss below. So we would have gotten in this trade here. Okay, stop loss. How many pips? 58 pips stop. Okay, let's just see what's the gain. Again, the market is not coming back to the big arrow, guys. Not coming back to the big arrow. Okay, there we go. So we would have gotten out, got in there, gotten out here 150 pips, okay, for a risk of 54 pips. That is a 1:3, 1:3. Okay, guys. So basically, guys, there I gave you now a demonstration of the software. Okay, it works on every time frame, but on the bigger time frames, obviously it will run a bit longer. Okay, so that is what I basically do, guys. Okay, it's very simple, very simple. I'll come to my charts. I'll come to my charts in the morning, where I'm going to swing trade, day trade, scalp, doesn't matter. I'll just go through them. Okay, I'll just go through them. I mean, here you can see this is a typical example. I'm giving you guys a free trade now here. Okay, let's just see the 1 hour. Okay, let's see the the 1 hour. Okay, now but it's showing a reversal here. Okay, so I wouldn't have taken that one. Okay, but basically, guys, that is basically all I do. Okay, the software is very straightforward. There's no guesswork. Okay, yeah, guys, that's it for this video. Okay, I just wanted to show you guys how the software really work. As if you first get the software, okay, remember, like I said, it's a 30-day free trial. Okay, so you can decide, test it for 30 days on a live account, demo account, it doesn't matter. And if you're happy, okay, with the performance of the software, you can contact me, you can email me. I will send you a demo. Okay, you can test it out for 30 days and you can decide, all right, if it's worth your money or not. Okay, very simple. Any case, guys, that's it for now. Mr. M signing out. I'll chat to you guys soon. Ciao for now.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's